Most people get this wrong. They assume Bolt Fund is just another quick cash app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, flexible installment options, and financial tracking features in one platform. When used carefully, Bolt Fund can help manage short-term cash flow without trapping you in high-interest debt. Here's how Bolt Fund works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. You can also split eligible purchases into smaller payments over a few weeks. Bolt Fund charges a predictable flat fee per advance or installment, making it much easier to budget than traditional payday loans or credit cards. Bolt Fund also offers dashboards, notifications, and repayment reminders, which help you stay on top of spending and avoid late fees. You can track your balance, see upcoming payments, and get tips to manage your cash better. The downside? Overuse can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments add up quickly, and relying heavily on Bolt Fund may hide larger financial issues instead of addressing them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only advance money you can repay on time. 2. Set reminders for repayment dates. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependency. Who should use Bolt Fund? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need a cash boost or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is inconsistent or repayment discipline is weak, Bolt Fund could end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, Bolt Fund in 2026 is a useful tool, but only if you use it responsibly. Plan your repayments, track fees, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and actionable tips to stay on top of your money.